Namaskar, today I am going to explain a new topic, acceleration. Acceleration is defined as change in velocity per unit time. The formula for acceleration is change in velocity divided by time taken. Acceleration is a vector quantity. It has magnitude and direction both. The unit of acceleration is meter per second square. This is the unit of acceleration. Acceleration may be positive, negative, or zero. When the direction of it may be positive or negative or zero. When the direction of motion and the direction of acceleration both are in same direction, due to this velocity increases and the acceleration of body is positive. Next is when the direction of motion and the direction of acceleration both are in opposite direction. Due to this, the velocity of body decreases and the acceleration of body is negative. If the body is moving with constant velocity, then the acceleration of body is zero. Now the next is types of accelerations. First is uniform acceleration. A body is said to be moving with uniform acceleration if its velocity changes by equal amount in equal interval of time, then this is called uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration is represented by the graph. Here the graph between time and velocity. The graph is straight line. So it shows uniform acceleration. Next is variable acceleration. A body is said to be moving with variable acceleration if its velocity changes by unequal amount in equal interval of time, then this is called variable acceleration. This shows by the graph. It's like the graph between velocity and time. The graph is like this. So here the velocity changes unequally by equal interval of time. Now the next is average acceleration. It is represented by A average, and A average is equal to delta V upon delta T. Here acceleration is a vector quantity, so we can represent delta V vector upon delta T. It is equal to V2 minus V1 upon T2 minus T1. V2 is the velocity of body at time t2 and V1 is the velocity of body at time t1. Next is instantaneous acceleration. This acceleration is defined for instant of time. Here time duration is very small, delta t tends to 0. It is A instantaneous. It is equal to limit delta t tends to 0, delta v vector upon delta t. It is equal to dv by dt. Now to understand the concept of acceleration, I am going to explain a problem. Problem number 1. The velocity of particle is given by the equation v is equal to 2t square plus 5 meter per second. Find change in velocity of the particle during the time interval between t1 is equal to 2 second and t2 is equal to 4 second. Next is average acceleration during the same interval. So first is the velocity is given v is equal to 2t square plus 5. This is the equation of velocity. So at time t1 is equal to 2 second, velocity is v1. Put the value. It is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 to 8. Its value is 13 meter per second. At time t1 is equal, t2 is equal to 4 second, the velocity v2 is equal to 2 plus 5, it is equal to 37 meter per second. So the change in velocity v2 minus v1, change in velocity is 37 minus 13. You will get 24 meter per second. So this is the answer, change in velocity of particle during the time interval between t1 equal to 2 second and t2 is equal to 4 second. Now the next problem, average acceleration during the same interval. We know the formula for average acceleration, A average. We can write acceleration, A average acceleration it is equal to delta V upon delta T. So we can write V2 minus V1 upon T2 minus T1. The value of V2 is equal to 37 meter per second. The value of V1 is equal to 13 meter per second. T2 is 4 minus 2. So you will get 24 upon 2. The answer is 12 meter per second square. This is the final answer. Thank you.